Tehseen Poonawalla joins us this morning. Tehseen, welcome.
Good morning, Jai Siya Ram.
हो गया?
Jai Siya Ram.
हो गया?
But I'm still saying, I agree with my friend Sanjay. The number 60 is true. And we don't know which side 61 is.
You yes, last night promised me that you would dance here if the Congress
I
wins.
also promised you factory made jalebis.
Now, you know,
But Congress is not winning, so फिर क्या होगा?
So the BJP will give. So now Anand will get.
To be serious, what explains this? What went wrong with the Congress?
So again, it's a little early to say what went wrong, but the same people, and Smitaji, the same people who have ruined the Congress in Delhi, have ruined the people. The same people who ruined the Congress in Delhi, who ruined it in Punjab.
Name them.
No, I don't know the names. Same people, if you keep making them in charge. So I think there has to be a reflection. I still believe Congress will win Haryana, but the same people. I don't know the names.
According to the Election Commission, let's get a reality check.
I still believe
Election Commission slower results, but 38 versus 36. Lot more closer.
Neck to neck.
Neck and neck.
What is our result?
So
Chhattisgarh was in 2014.
See, this bringing Tomar back last minute, just 2 days before polling day. Bringing Tanwar back into the party. Again, you cause more trouble between people. The Dalit vote gets annoyed.
Tanwar was somebody who always baited Bhupinder Singh Hooda. We saw the clashes.
One more thing about Ashok Tawar, and I had this personal fight with him on your show. The language he used for Mrs. Gandhi when he left.
Yeah.
The language he used for Mrs. Gandhi. It was on Times Now where I pulled him off. The language he used, a lot of people have left the Congress, Jyotiraditya ji, etc. Nobody's used that language for Mrs. Gandhi. You generally don't
and
use
he comes back into the party. Even Hooda ji was surprised कि ये सीधा stage पे लेके आए. Markan does this. Last minute brings in. Shailja also doesn't know. She's just defeated him a couple of months before. He's brought in कि Dalit vote अगर Shailja उधर चली जाती है, so we have a Tawar. You know, too much of khichdi, you know, which was happening in the last minute.
Khichdi happening, 49 versus 37 in Haryana. It's all happening. All eyes on Haryana. Siddharth, do you have anything coming?
So I was just looking at some of the cluster data, Navika, in Haryana, and the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Congress are neck and neck when it comes to about 30 odd Jat-dominated seats. So the Bharatiya Janata Party is leading in 15 out of those. The Congress is leading in 14. When it comes to the rural cluster, the Congress is doing significantly better than the BJP, leading in 29 out of 54 seats. In the scheduled caste seats, where the Congress has traditionally had an advantage, the BJP and the Congress are once again neck and neck. So the BJP is punching above its weight here. And it's in the urban seats that the BJP has a decisive advantage. Out of the 31 odd seats in the urban cluster, the BJP is leading in 20, the Congress in 11. And that's the reason why the BJP has a runaway advantage, at least at this juncture. We'll wait for the results to stabilize.
Well, I want to ask you, Vinesh Phogat, can you tell me?
She's leading.
She's leading.
Yes, she's leading.
Okay.
What is the lead?
I'll just check the exact number.
What is Sonipa's lead?
I'll just give you a minute. I'm just checking.
He'll have to go and look at it. But these numbers and Guru Prakash, I want to ask you. Okay, we will. Guru Prakash has moved from here. We are expecting Shazia Ilmi to join us in just a bit. But Prateek Som with us, spokesperson of the JJP. Also joining me this morning is Reena Gupta of the Aam Aadmi Party. Is she Prateek Som? BJP leading on 48, Congress on 38. Situation has changed tremendously. आप कह रहे थे कि बीजेपी के साथ जो जाएगा वो विष खाएगा. अब बीजेपी तो जाग गई. It's work for the BJP looks like at this moment. What would you say now? 1 minute. No cross talk.
Navika, these numbers is surprising me as well. I believe silent vote has gone to BJP, but I still stand by my statement that the biggest harm which has happened to JJP is because of BJP. They may have increased their vote share, but probably that has come from our side, because our people, our bastions, people were not happy that we supported BJP. Well, we wish them luck, but you know, this number still surprises me. We'll have to wait for an hour or so to see the real picture, because you know, none of the exit poll, even you predicted one, were not showing these numbers.
No, we didn't do exit polls. We learnt our lessons in the Lok Sabha polls. Times Now did not do any exit polls. This time we learnt our lessons, and we did not do any exit polls. But Shazia Ilmi joining me this morning, and Shazia Ilmi, what is this magical turnaround if it stays on in Haryana? Do you think the BJP is going to have the last laugh?